Hey yo, welcome back to another video. I hope everyone's having an amazing day so far. Today your boy Sky has a very interesting and exciting video about a low cap altcoin which has the potential of 100x. Yes, the one I am talking about is the Bscshiba. Now this token has insane amount of potential. You guys need to understand it only came out 4 days ago and it has already had a peak which was nearly 5x. That is incredible. I promise you, after watching this video, if you do not know anything about it, you are going to fall in love with this token. Before we get into it, if you guys are here for the first time, you do want to stay up to date with everything to do with cryptocurrency or the stock market, I highly recommend you guys scroll down and tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, also go ahead and slap a like on the video. It is completely free to do so, but at the same time it will help me and you out, as the YouTube algorithm will push the video out to more people will see the positive side of the Bscshiba. They decide to buy it, the peak becomes even larger and all of us make a lot of profit. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Now first of all, just looking at the design of the website, we can see it's still in the construction stage, and I also joined their Telegram and it says that there will be a new design for the whole website being done very soon in the coming week. That's great. Shiba's master made a lot of monies on the Ethereum network, so they decided to recreate Shiba on the BSC coin, which is obviously Binance coin, with a fairer launch so everyone can play with Shiba without the fear of dusty dogs dumping on them. Shiba was launched on ETH network with 10 ETH starting liquidity at the price of 300 per ETH. Now it is going to do the same on the Binance coin, but it will be starting on a higher Binance price, which means more liquidity. Shiba is an implemented passive yield mechanic where 5% of each transaction is distributed to the holders, making an upgrade with the meme token. So overall, you guys know there was already a Shiba token on the ETH network, but that one was very expensive. This one will be launched on the BSC network and the fees will be much cheaper. This is community focused, no token for slimmers, separate reserve on BNB dedicated for marketing and gifted by the community leaders, fair launch so no one got the early start to this token, and finally trust oriented. The liquidity has been locked for maximum time allowed by Unicrypt, no mint function, completely safe. I'll tell you one thing for a fact, this token has done a lot of things just in 4 days. You guys need to understand 4 days is a very short period of time, and the reason I feel like this token is going to do better than the ETH one is because the ETH fee is close to $50, while on the other hand the BSC one, it only has the fee of close to 50 cents, which is incredible. Now the total supply of the Bscshiba is close to 1 trillion or even like 1 quadrillion, but 20% of that is already permanently burnt. So close to 200 trillion tokens have already been burnt before you even enter into this token. Locked liquidity locked for 12 months. 1,350 LP tokens collected in dev wallet has been permanently burnt. Mechanism, this is how it works. It's very nice. If you decide to buy or sell, the transaction fee will be 10%. Now 5% of that will be distributed to everyone that is holding onto the token, which is incredible. So just by holding onto the token, you are earning some money. And the other 5% will be added to the liquidity player on PancakeSwap. But moving on, let's talk about Safe Fair Moon. If you guys do not know, this is an auditing company which looks into the new tokens to see how safe they are. There has been an audit report done on Bscshiba and looks very promising. If you actually scroll down on this audit report, we can see the name is Bscshiba, then the client address, then the blockchain they're using is Binance Smart Chain, then there is the project website. We scroll down a little bit more, there's a disclaimer, then there is obviously the contact details if you want to contact them, also the liquidity lock, everything 5% distributed to the people, everything is given there, and also they have shown us the token distribution, everything that we need to know, how much token is distributed to what account, we can see right here. Now just before I scroll down, if you guys actually look at the ownership of this current project, there is no owner, so it has been removed and now it is owned by the community. This is great. If there is an owner, he can make huge changes to the cryptocurrency or the token without having any say from anyone else, but because this token doesn't have an owner, that is great. But looking at the distribution, you can see that the biggest share is the one that is burnt, which is 20%, and the other account, which is the other big share, that one is just everyone, a lot of people holding on to small amounts amounts just put together. Now if we keep scrolling down on this audit, we will be able to see all the safe changes that they have done, and they actually compared it to SafeMoon, so it'll be easier for us to see how safe this token really is. But as you guys can see, most of the thing that Shiba does is very similar to SafeMoon, and you guys know SafeMoon has so much investment, and at the same time SafeMoon is doing so good. And Shiba, I promise you, is very safe, and also the best thing is SafeMoon only gives 3%, on the other hand Shiba gives you 5%. If you scroll more down, pretty much everything is very identical, and they're doing very good job of it. And in some places Shiba is actually better than SafeMoon, so that's a good thing. If we go all the way down, you can see security issues. There is no high security issue, no medium, no low. There is no issues at all. That is very rare for an altcoin that only came out 4 days ago. Most of them pretty much have a lot of issues, I'll tell you that for a fact. But moving on to their BSC scan, you can see that they already have 8,000 or over 8,000 holders just under 4 days due to Dogecoin. This is very similar to Dogecoin, and everyone is investing at the start and they just want to get in early. There's already been 21,000 transactions, so that includes selling, buying, all types of transactions, and that is great. 21,000, it is getting so much attention just in under 4 days. Now boys and girls, as I always say, whenever our altcoin has more transactions, it's much better or much more important than the holders. The reason for that is because more people are actually trading the currency and more people are using it in different forms. Now if we move on to their Twitter page, you guys can see they have close to 2,500 followers. That's a lot of people under 4 days, keep that in mind. And at the same time, there are so many people who are actually active. In 4 days they have already crossed 8,000 holders. That's a lot of people if you think about it. Now also, I just want to quickly mention, if you guys want to join their Telegram, it will keep you up to date with everything. Also, I know a lot of you guys might have the question, Sky, how do I actually buy this token? Before I show you, before you buy it, I recommend you join their Telegram, which already has a lot of members. You guys can see they have close to 2,000 members. That's a lot of people, and 600 of them are online. You will be able to talk to them, see their new design. I feel like once the new website design comes in, a lot more people will be visiting it, and a lot more people will be trying to figure out if they should buy it or not. Now if you want to buy it, all you need to do is you need to download Trust Wallet on your phone. Once you have Trust Wallet, you need to go ahead and buy some BNB, send it to your Trust Wallet, change the BNB to Smart Chain. Once you have it connected to Smart Chain, or actually converted into Smart Chain, you need to make your way to PancakeSwap. Once you're at PancakeSwap, on the top right there will be an option to connect your wallet. Just click on connect and then you will be connected. Once it's connected, you guys need to go ahead and set the first, which is from, as BNB Smart Chain. Put in 1 to how much BNB you want to convert to Shiba, and on the bottom you just need to go ahead and copy the contract address. You will find it on the BSN scan, put it in the bottom, and you guys will be able to put it on the bottom. Once that is done, you just need to go ahead and click on swap, and you will notice that your Smart Chain will be converted into Shiba, and now you guys can actually go ahead and keep Shiba in your Trust Wallet. But so out of the way, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you guys did, make sure you guys go and slap a like on it. What do I think about this token? I feel like there are some big things yet to come with this token. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys will have a wonderful day ahead, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.